In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious creamy chicken pesto pasta recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 box of penne pasta, chicken breast cubed, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1.5 cup of heavy cream, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, and half a cup of pesto. In a pan over heat, we're going to add our oil. Add in the chicken and cook thoroughly. Season with the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add in the box of pasta. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Cover with lid and let simmer until the pasta is completely cooked. Add in the heavy cream. Now add in the pesto and combine well. Remove from heat. Now we're going to add in the Parmesan and mix completely. Take out the pasta onto a plate. Our creamy chicken pesto pasta is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.